Okay, so if you are frequently getting your mailbox is almost full, one strategy what you can do is create a new PST file. And so see these other folders? These are references to my other PST files that I store stuff in. Now, you're not going to be able to access those from webmail because only the stuff under your inbox and some other things will be stored under webmail. But it gets them where you can keep access to them from Outlook and you don't have the max file size. So, let's show you how you do this. So, you come up here to File, come into Account Settings, and here, and under Data Files, you can hit Add, right? And what I would highly recommend is look at where they're storing them. If you want to have our, what is it called, the backup program we typically use, automatically create backups of your PST file, then keep it in like a default folder under your user's My Document stuff, right? And I'm going to say test example full file, because it's a file, but inside Outlook it's like a folder. So I'm going to say OK. Now notice it here, and you should see down here, right? So now, if I come in here and let's see something that I don't necessarily need, which of course is not really. Let me go further, because then I don't know why they're sitting here. So alright, so I can just drag it into here, right? And then it moves it. It won't be available from webmail, but it moves that. If that was a large file, that's also why I have this presentations in large files. When people send me large files, I say, you know what, I don't generally speaking need access to them via webmail, and so I can still put them in here, and this way I get my large files. See how some of these are really big? It gets them off of my mail server. And then also, after you do that, you can create, like I do here, subfolders. The other one I would recommend, like on this, data file properties, come in here, advanced, in compact now. So periodically that'll shrink the file size on your computer, which is convenient. I did these just a while, and not too long. I do it like once a year, right? Compress the file size. So it's not a must. And that's it. That's an easy way to not have to deal with trying to archive your files or to delete them. And you can just move them off of there and have an archive and have them. What I did was I broke mine into different projects and things that go in the past. I move them into, it's basically similar to an archive. I just control F, go, I'm not going to touch that thing for a while, so I'll move them down there. Or if I get huge volumes of stuff that I need to keep access to, and then of course you can write a rule in Outlook to automatically move them in that folder, and that way you don't have to worry about it, right? So let me see if I come in here, rules, create rule. I should have hit manage rules. If I think I've hit manage rules, cancel. Sorry, let's just sit to make sure you know, because rules, manage rules and alerts. So here I automatically move certain emails that come in into folders, right? And this way, some of those that I get a lot, like those test emails, I almost never look at them, but I'm still in the CC, so I just move them automatically. And here you can see where things are getting moved to, the rules behind it. And here, this one, move it to the test emails folder. So it's done automatically for me, and that way they're not filling up my inbox. That's it.